So you can see here we have ransomware set up for Azure shares, rather. So data source is an SMB data type. And in this case, consider a scenario where a user, Tiffany, who has her account compromised. The attacker logs in after hours, encrypts files, and then possibly leaves a ransom note. Here's what we would see and what we would do along the way. So we've got 9 incidents, 2 different users. Click on the incidents. The most recent incident being Tiffany. You can see it's actually happened twice. She's triggered 2 separate alerts today. So we can click here and open her user, but first I want to see what's happening inside of this specific incident. So in here, 18 objects were encrypted with WannaCry. So that's a pretty clear sign that this isn't an insider threat scenario. This is ransomware, and we know that. So we want to get in here and look at Tiffany's user. You can see that, oh, there's lots and lots of files over time got encrypted, not necessarily with this one event, but multiple events over time. We want to ensure that this doesn't happen anymore. And that's why we added the rule set to go ahead and automatically revoke access for the user account when that happens. We can go back and I show that in a second. So it's very clear we need to work with Tiffany. We need to get her account reset. We need to do some remedial training on security protocols, likely some phishing training, and go from there. But for now, we need to go back to the review and suspend the user, because right now her account is out of control and we want to go ahead and suspend that. Let's go back here, go into the rule set. Very similar rule set as Yuba. So if the encrypted file count is more than 10 for 1 minute, send the alert on the file shares, alert the data source owners, anybody else in here, and then fire off an automation. So once again, if the pattern continues for 3 consecutive minutes, the user will automatically be suspended. So in the case of our example here, that user clearly would have already been suspended if this weren't a demo environment. So we wouldn't have worried about continued events occurring.